In this video, I'm going to show you how to get a refund on Uber Eats. So the first thing you want to do is you want to open up the Uber Eats app like you normally would. Go to the bottom menu and select on the profile icon. Then select over here where it says orders. Then select on past orders and find the order that you want to go ahead and actually refund. So for this video, let's work with this McDonald's order. So what you want to do from here is you want to go ahead and scroll down, and then you guys want to go ahead and press on this option that says get help. And what you want to do from here is you want to go ahead and begin chatting with them. So you want to type in your issue over here. So whether your order never arrived or if there's a missing item or stuff like that, you want to go ahead and type that out. And then you need to follow the prompts and submit the request. And Uber usually responds instantly or within a few hours. So Uber Eats may give you a full refund, a partial refund, Uber cash credit, which you can then use in order to buy more Uber Eats, or a redelivery. So it all depends on the issue reported. So always try to request a refund within 48 hours of the order. The sooner it is, the better it is. So please don't waste any time. Go ahead and get to it. And also add photos if the food was damaged or incorrect. And don't abuse refunds too often or the system may deny future requests. So if you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next tutorial.